Hey guys, so today we are reviewing the Apimaye beehive from Turkey. So this is a really nice beehive, and it is plastic, and it has thick walls, and it is also insulated in it. So this helps when it is winter and it's cold, so that the bees can stay more warm. And when bees are more warm, they don't eat as much, so that's nice. And it also gets really cold and it snows a lot here, so it will help a lot when it's in winter. So at the front of the beehive, you see these green doors. So there's these doors, and you can turn them to any setting. So this one is the regular bee, to let regular bees in, and this one is to let the queen in and out, so that it can go mate if it needs to. And this is the vent. So that's just the same thing on this one. And right here are also some other entrances. So if you open them up, you can see that bees can get in right here also. And there's also a mouse guard. And you can close it like this so that they don't have too much of a thing to guard if it's a weak beehive. Or you can open it all the way if it's a strong beehive. So now let's just open it up and review it. So there is latches on each side, and this is also really nice, so if it's windy, the top won't fall off. And these are really easy to open, and they're really nice and heavy duty. There's one on each side. And so this lid is not too heavy, but it's also insulated, and there's a vent on this side and that side, and this is really heavy duty. Okay, so right here is the feeder. So, as you can see, there's just these yellow things to hold these in. We will go through that later. And so this just comes off really easily. So this is where they feed and stuff. So as you can see, it's just this tray. And there's these things that they have a candy setting and a syrup setting. So whatever one you put on the outside, so if you want to put the syrup one on the outside, that means that they can go through and eat the syrup. And as you can see, the syrup side has these little bumps so that they can like lean down and crawl on it to eat. And then if you put the candy one on the outside, they can just crawl through and walk on the tray and eat the candy. So that's a really nice feeder that will help a lot, and it'll be super easy to clean. So here is where you put all of the frames. We just have one frame in here for now. We'll put more on them. And you can also order plastic frames with it if you want, but we just use some wood ones that we already had. Okay, so this is just a regular, box to put the frames in. And there's also these handles here so that if there's lots of frames in here and it's filled with honey and it's a little heavy, then it'll just be easy to pick up. So I'm going to set this over here. Okay, so this is also another box. Okay, and as you can see, in here is a pollen trap. So yeah, and I will show you how this works. So you can pull it out like this so that the entrance that I showed you earlier, they can come through here and just walk around and then come back out. But if you close this is why it's called a pollen trap. When they go in, they can't get back out that way, so that they're forced to come out these holes, and that also forces the pollen out. And that goes into the tray, and we will open the tray up right now. So the tray is just under this. It's a little hard to get out because it's new. Okay. So right here, as you can see, this is the tray that collects all the pollen, and it'll be super easy to get off and clean. And this is just the bottom part of the hive. And also you can take out the pollen trap all the way if you don't want any pollen. And you can put in this red thing that it comes with to not let any bees get in it if you don't want any pollen. So you just put that in there. Okay, now, oh, and these are also just some things that you can put in so that the trays are equally divided. These just come with it. There's 4 of them. And this is the cool part. This is the divider. So as you can see, there's things right here that have different settings. So there's a close setting right here, the vent, and that will let the bees in and out. So there's slots to put it in right here. And so as you can see, there's 2 different slots and they can't get under unless you put this one in so that they can walk through it. Okay, and the reason that you can use this divider is so one side can have queens in to make queens if you want to do that. And also another cool thing you can do is to put 2 different types of bees. So totally 2 different types of bees. And so then you can open up the vents and then they can smell each other and get used to each other. So then you can take this out and they'll just be used to each other. So that's something really cool that we like. And it also just comes with a regular queen excluder so the bees can get in and not the queen or out. So that's about it for the Apimaye hive. It's a really good hive and we're really excited to use this. It's going to be easy to clean and it has insulation, so it'll be super cool to use. So yeah, that's about it, and thank you for watching our video.